Hey, so I'm here at the NSR factory. In their museum with every model they have ever produced. It's very impressive how many models they already did in different liveries. You see here every livery, all the special ones and the one-offs, and also some of the trophies. And here memories come back to Salvatore. So at this race in 2005 I did my first world championship and also did it in the main with Salvatore. He was world champion, I was fifth, and it was a very big pleasure to drive against this master of racing, the Majestic. He was very quick, fast, and I think I learned a lot from him for all what came later. So enjoy the cars. Yeah, okay.
Okay, here we have all the models that NSR factory has produced through the years. Each livery, each kind of model, each car that has produced it as one example, what sample here of everyone, every also package. It's here, over there, we have everything is here.
Okay, and here we see some of the prototypes, correct?
These are some prototypes, these are big samples to study the aerodynamic and also the configuration of the body of the cars. So it's easier when it's bigger, of course. So we do some bigger example and then we make it smaller for the cars.
Back today, he's trying to carry me to my grave. The shallow earth is where my bones now lay. But the earth keeps sinking deeper and I can't escape. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. Love and understanding and accepted your ways from the corners of the earth. Now where you scream my name, I'm just beginning to regret you and my ways. 'Cause I'm just too scared now, too goddamn scared to change. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. I'm just another soul trying to be saved. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my grave. This love's gonna carry me to my grave.